Hey, welcome back to a simple algebraic equation. So here I'm going to show a simple exponential equation and we have to solve for the value of x. So what's the equation? 2 to the power x equals x to the power 2. 2 to the power x equals x to the power 2. So we have to solve the value of x. This is something simple, but it may look simple but may not be simple for everyone. So for beginners it would be a good brain exercise. So let's get started. What you can do is you can multiply the power, that is exponent x, on left side, and you can multiply the exponent of x, which is 2, on the other side by a common fraction. So I am multiplying x here on the left hand side by 1 divided by 2x, or x into 2, x multiplied by 2. And then on the right hand side, x to the power 2. So 2, the exponent multiplied by 1 upon x into 2. So you can see the commonalities and delete that. So x on the left side gets deleted, crossed here. The 2 for the numerator denominator, that gets crossed off. So what are you left with? On the left side you have 2 to the power half, 2 to the power 1 by 2. And on the right side you have x to the power 1 by x. Now the base number on the left hand side is 2, right hand side is x. So what does that mean? In this situation, x will be 2, right? And since x is equal to 2, so the fraction 1 upon x will be 1 upon 2. So what's the value of x? 2. Over time I'll be doing more complicated ones, but I will start off with the simpler ones first. So if you find it very simple and boring, please forgive me for that. But those who find it complicated and helps to solve with this equation, thank you for watching it. So I'm just repeating it again. After solving it, we found 2 to the power half is x to the power 1x. So that means if the base is common, x is equals to 2. So the exponent 1 by x equals obviously 1 by 2. So what's the value of x? It's 2. So this is how you can solve this simple equation. Hope you find it interesting. Smash that subscribe button.